Hello lovelies, you are welcome once again to my channel. Thanks so much. I'm appreciative. Thanks so much for all your time spent in watching my video. Okay, today I will be putting on this onion soup with all process. Okay, many times we have talked about cold process, but today we are going to talk about how to make it hot. Okay, so that almost immediately we can begin to use our soup. Thanks so much. I appreciate all your time. For those ones just coming to my channel today, you are welcome. You are most welcome because I know you will have things to learn. Okay, and please please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and then put on your notification bell so that each time I upload content, you'll be among the first set of people that will see it. Okay, what you see me pour is the PKO, the palm kernel oil. I'll be using just 400, though the all ingredient recipes at the end of this video. Just be patient, watch to the end and you will see the details of the recipe. So all the same, I measure the PKO. I'm still using my scale for people that don't know how to use scale. When you are measuring your recipes, you don't have to measure the container with it. Check my videos and you will see how I explain how to measure your chemicals accurately so that you don't measure the weight of the gadget you are using, so that doesn't affect the results of your production. Okay, so I took note that the oil was, it exceeded the 400 I needed. I just removed some. Okay, and then what you see me do is pouring the bleach palm oil. This bleach palm oil, we know you know how to bleach it, and in fact I just dropped a video on how I bleach it with just one recipe, one chemical. Okay, so that is bleach palm oil. I guess you have known how to do it before, but this one, measuring using one chemical to bleach it, definitely is a new thing to you. So I mix the oil together. It's very simple. If you have been watching, following me, it's not difficult to mix, it's not difficult to make. All you need to get right is the calculation, which I also drop on my YouTube channel. Okay, so having mixed the oil, of course you should always remember that your oil should be what. Okay, and that's what I've done here. You know, we are making all onion soup. And so there, what you see me pour is the onion. You can pour your onion in the batter, okay, as you like it. You can pour even when you have gotten the batter. You might not pour from beginning like this. I'm sure we can all see my ebook. Is at a moderate fee. In it I have so many recipes you can learn at your own convenient time. Okay, so many things apart from even soap, a lot of things you can learn and add to your soup business. Okay, it's very moderate. And then of course I run the online classes on one-to-one. I run live session, anyone you want. Okay, what you see me pour is the light solution, and as you pour it, you mix. It. Okay, if you are here to like, please, what are you waiting for? Do like it. That's how much I will know you appreciate me. And make your requests, ask your questions. Okay, I took note that the hand whisk was not taking every corner of the pot, so I have to change it to the wooden stick so that I can reach every corner. Anytime you are adding glass syringe to your soap, be mindful of it that naturally the soap as a byproduct of glycerin. Okay, so be mindful of the quantity of glycerin you put. One of the byproducts of the saponification is glycerin. Okay, so the next thing we are doing is we pour it into the our mold. Any mold is any choice of your mold we do, because I later subjected it again to fire, so that I did a little cooking to it, and you will see the outcome. You see the outcome eventually, because I suggested it to heat again. Wow, this is the final outlook, and I of course have stamped it, ready for sale, ready for the owner, ready for the clients that need it. Okay, thanks so much for this time. God bless your hustle. Keep liking, keep sharing, and then don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. I will definitely see you on my next video by God's grace. Okay, you can reach me on the number written on your screen, either for your physical training, online training, or you want one question or the other, and then of course I will be there to attend to you. See you. Bye and God bless. Bye. Yes. Bye bye. Thank you.